Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to disable aeroplane mode in Realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and go to the setting icon. Here you will see, so click on the setting icon. Now here you will see many options. You have to scroll down and click on the aeroplane mode option, which is already on in our mobile phone. So if you want to disable aeroplane mode, so you will off this. So it means that now it doesn't now all the calls and notifications are able to come in your mobile phone, and here you will see in your status bar no aeroplane like icon is shown, which indicate aeroplane mode is on in our mobile phone. So in this way aeroplane mode is disabled in our mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.